कभी वणक्कम कहेंगे, कभी नमस्कार कहेंगे, but all are our national languages. Differentiate. And we all are proud of it, of our different diverse culture, linguistic, food habits, behavior, geography, history. इस सब का हमारा अलग अलग ढंग है, फिर भी हम एक है इसको बताने के लिए इसको कभी हम वणक्कम कहते हैं, कभी नमस्कार कहते हैं, कभी सत श्री अकाल कहते हैं। ऐसे बहुत सारे ढंग होते हैं। आज के इस कार्यक्रम में इस शाम के समय आप सबका मैं तमिलनाडु का फर्स्ट सिटीजन होने के नाते आप सबका मैं स्वागत करता हूं। स्वागत मैंने करना है आपका। बहुत ही अच्छे कार्यक्रम में मैं सम्मिलित हुआ हूं। इस एक संस्था के 75 वर्ष कम समय नहीं है। 75 वर्ष इसको एक तरह से हम उत्साह से उसका स्वागत करने के लिए 75 वर्ष का इकट्ठे हुए हैं। ऐसे इस अवसर पर मंच पर मेरे साथ उपस्थित हैं श्री अग्रवाल सभा के अध्यक्ष थिरु सीताराम गोयल जी, थिरु बाल गोविंद गुप्ता जी, थिरु विजय कुमार गोयल जी, इस इवेंट के चेयरमैन थिरु अरुण कुमार सुल्तानिया जी, अन्य उपस्थित सभी महानुभाव, सभागार में बैठे हुए सभी बुजुर्ग, युवा, बच्चे, माताएं, बहनों और अन्य सभी उपस्थित नागरिक बंधु, आज का कार्यक्रम एक अलग सा कार्यक्रम है। इस कार्यक्रम में सम्मिलित होते समय मुझे बहुत खुशी है। वैसे जब भी मैं क्या कोई भी आप भी अगर किसी कार्यक्रम में सम्मिलित होते हैं, हर लोग वैसा ही कहते हैं, लेकिन मेरे अंतःकरण से मैं कह रहा हूं कि 75 वर्ष की इस यात्रा के दौरान
from the Agrawal Sabha, Chennai. We are from last 70. This is our 75th year Platinum Jubilee year. Mr. Vijay Goyal will brief you about our Sri Agrawal Sabha.
My name is Vijay Goyal. I am the chairman of Platinum Jubilee Committee. We are celebrating 75th year of Sri Agrawal Sabha, which was founded in 1952. And after that, we started a school there at Vepari in 1963, and then again we started a college at Madhavaram area, and then we started our own building at Annanagar. But the first building what we purchased, it was in 1953, which was being inaugurated by then Governor of Tamil Nadu, Sri Prakash ji. And thereafter, that has become the center for all the Marwadi communities and other communities, and especially those who are coming from the outside of Chennai. That Agrawal Sabha at Adiyappa Naik Street, Saukarpet has become the landmark for all the social and community development. So we are distributing every year so many social activities, like we are distributing the food, we are distributing the ration, we are conducting the medical camps, and we are distributing the scholarships, and we are helping to needy family who does not afford to conduct the marriages also, and we support those students who are not able to pay their fees. We adopt them, and these are the social community activities we are carrying throughout the year.
We have the old age home at Nandyambakam.
And we are having a old age home at Nandyambakam.
Nandyambakam.
It is just before the Minjur railway station. So this is how our young generation is also involved, and our purpose to have these things is to encourage our young generation so as to carry the legacy for another 25 years to touch the century of this Agrawal Sabha. That is what we hope. And our ladies wing also is very actively supporting our community ladies and young generations. So we are having the different ladies wing as well as the youth wing also. So they are doing all sorts of social activities also, and in our bhavans which are there in the Savarkarpet, and that is also in SRKK Nagar, which is Anna Nagar, which is popularly known as the SRKK Bhavan. There all the religious type of and social type of activities throughout the year is being carried out. So these are the activities, we are doing it, and we are looking forward to be taken over by our younger generation to carry on the legacy of our Agrawal Sabha for the past 75 years.
I am a chairman of Platinum Jubilee for fundraising. I'll tell you one most important point of our Agrawal community is we are looking after all the natural calamities whenever it occurs in Tamil Nadu, and we are only, our needs are only not for Agarwals but all the people in Tamil Nadu who are in trouble. We give scholarship to all the people, Tamil Nadu students, even Agarwal students, but anyone who is in difficulty wants to take any help from us, we always help them. Our main motto is to join with Tamil Nadu government and work for a social activity, whatever cause we can do best for it.
And now since this Platinum Jubilee has been started from the month of April itself, so this is our first inaugural functions, and thereafter we have prepared the whole year calendar. In those different dates of the calendar, the next program will be, we will be honoring our senior members who are above 80 plus. We will be going to their houses in batches. Our youngsters people, they will go, and with all respect and honor we will invite them, and then we at one particular date we invite them to a particular point, and there we will just do our puja to honor them by cleaning of their feet, wiping it off, and doing the homam for their